welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video I have explained mkdir and rmdir command. So in this video we will see mv command. Okay, so mv command is basically used to move or rename files. Okay, there are some arguments here to take a backup of each existing destination file. It's a hyphen backup. -b for is like backup argument, but does not accept an argument. F means do not prompt before overwriting, and -I means prompt before overwriting. Okay, so what we do is first we go to desktop and then we will create one file using touch command. Okay, another file cdf. Now what we do is we first create one folder using mkdir. You can also call it directory. Okay, so let's see on the desktop that we have created two files, abc and cdf, and one demo directory. So what we are going to do is we will move these two files to demo folder using mv command. Okay, so mv means the source file and then the destination. Okay, so let's see the abc file is moved in demo folder, just like that. mv cdf means the source here, source name and the destination name. So in demo you can see abc and cdf is here. Now we will remove these files using rm command. Okay, rm abc, yes, and rm cdf, yes, and now okay, now rmdir demo. So our desktop is clean. Thank you for watching, and now you have seen the use of mv command, which is basically used to move files to another location like mv, and then what we do, we write the source name or the file name and then the destination name. Okay, thank you for watching.